Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the Audi S7. This sleek and powerful sedan is a real head turner, but is it worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The interior is luxurious and well appointed, with plenty of premium materials and advanced tech features. And check out this beautiful carbon fiber trim. It adds a real touch of sportiness to the cabin. The sport seats are also comfortable and supportive, and the infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use. And check out that sporty rear wing. It's not just for show, it actually helps to reduce drag and improve the car's aerodynamics, which can also improve fuel efficiency and handling at high speeds. That's a quick look at the Audi S7. It's a beast of a car with a powerful engine, agile handling, and a luxurious interior. It's not fully spec'd out just yet, but once the remaining mods are installed, we'll be doing a full in-depth review. Stay tuned for that, and let us know what you think about the S7. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.